Hi, welcome to this week's Madison's Letting blog. And I thought I would mention the Making Tax Digital, since Making Tax Digital, or MTD, is going to go live from next month. So it's being phased in over 3 years between 2026 and 2028. This applies to individuals who have either property or self-employment income. And for April 2026, so from next month, if you are an individual who has either property or self-employment income, and obviously we're looking at this property and for landlords, if you have over £50,000 or over income from property, you are going to need to use the government, the HMRC's new Making Tax Digital. That banding is going to be coming down over the next 3 years. So this year it's if you have £50,000 or more. Next year it's going to drop and will capture you, if you like, if you have £30,000 or more of income from either property or self-employment sources. And in April 2028 is going to drop to £20,000. So as you can see, by April 2028, it is going to capture, I would suggest, the vast majority of landlords. And I would expect certainly the vast majority of those within the Tunbridge Wells area. What it requires you to do is report your income on a quarterly basis. So it's going to require you to report on the 7th of August, 7th of November, 7th of February, and the 7th of May. So you will need to keep track of the income a lot more closely. And what's more is that you are going to need to do so on a government approved or HMRC approved software. So what I would advocate all landlords to do now is, if you do have income certainly of £50,000 more, I would expect you to have registered by now on the HMRC site. And I would suggest, if you're not quite at that level, but you are at £30,000 or more, to get registered soon. And what you'll also need to do is be able to use an approved software. So again, all the details on there are on the HMRC website, and we'll have a link to that shortly on the Madison's website to help you. Now, there are exemptions to this, and there are a number of different exemptions which I won't mention in this particular vlog. But again, I will put some text on the Madison site to help you. Now, if you are late in registering your tax, as you would expect with HMRC, there will be a levy of fines. It's on a point system, so if you miss a deadline, you will accrue a 1-point penalty. Now, a financial penalty doesn't actually get incurred until you have got or accrued 4 points. So if you've been late and missed 4 deadlines, that will mean you'll have got 4 points and will accrue you a £200 fine. So it is vital that you do remember those dates on the 7th of those quarterly dates, being August, November, February, and May. What will happen equally is that if you then miss actually paying the tax itself, if you are 15 days late or more, you will accrue a fine of paying 3% of the tax due. And if it goes to 30 days or more, there'll be an additional 3% to pay of the tax due. The government has put together a very useful FAQ and toolkit to support Making Tax Digital. So do have a look at the website. It shouldn't be, I don't expect it to be overly complicated, but as with everything, when something is new and we're not used to it, there is going to be a period of settling in. So what I would advocate is please do make appropriate diary notes for yourselves and keep an eye on the government website. Obviously, we at Madison's are here to support you too, and we would be delighted to assist you. If you would like to give us a call, please do so. But there will be some notes on our website, and I hope that you find this useful, but do go to the government and HMRC sites as well. I hope this has been good and look forward to meeting again soon.